Here's how to fix the Facebook Marketplace isn't available error on your iPhone. So there are 6 ways. First, check if it's even available in your region, because Facebook Marketplace may not be available in your country. Next, you can try to use a verified Facebook account. So ensure you are using an account that's been active for a while and is verified. Third, check your internet connection. So make sure your connection is stable and reliable. Fourth, update the Facebook app. So ensure you have the latest version of the Facebook app on your iPhone. The fifth way is to restart the app. So the app may be experiencing a bug or glitch, so try restarting it. Sixth is to verify your age. So make sure your Facebook account shows that you are 18 years or older. So by following those 6 steps, you may be able to fix the Facebook Marketplace is not available on your iPhone. However, if it's really not available in your region, then there's no way around that. But if it is available in your region and you check that, then do these 6 things and then it will probably work. So now you know how to fix the Facebook Marketplace isn't available on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.